Good morning and welcome to today's coffee break. Well, actually it's more of a tea break. As part of our little series of some not so well-known companies in the RT, we had to go a little bit further east to see some companies that are not really small, but maybe not too well-known. In this case, we're in China. While we might sometimes assume that what is true in Western countries also should be true elsewhere, unfortunately that isn't really true, at least not when it comes to radiotherapy in China. And we might also sometimes assume that made in China is equal to lower quality and knowledge. And again, we will have to learn that same hard lesson that car manufacturers are currently going through. But let's see that firsthand. So let's go on an almost direct route to China and visit some of these. First, we have to mention one China company that most of you, I think, are aware of, United Imaging Healthcare, who have literally grown from scratch with a massive funding over the last more than 10 years now, hiring hundreds or thousands of top engineers and now being a serious competitor of GE, Philips and Siemens in radiology. But they also have an interesting machine for radiotherapy. Their main product right now is a Linac with a full-blown VMAT and everything, combined with a CT, so you can do simulation and online adaptive all with one machine. And that's out now for a little more than a year or two. Quite a bit smaller, in particular in the radiology space, as it just do CTs and X-ray, is a company called Xinhua. They're around for a long time, have a long tradition in China, and nonetheless are in somewhat a runner-up position. Let's take a quick flight. Oh, actually a pretty fast train there. Their Linac is conventional gantry-based Linac with a different set of MLCs, but also a couple of new ideas coming. Due to high political interest also to a push made in China products, there's a couple of other companies in China that are doing Linacs or having some new ideas and coming up in the future soon. Some of which have a longer tradition, some are completely new. There's names around like Haiming, HMPT, or Newsoft, and we'll see where they go. So I can't promise you will see them soon in your clinic or the booth besides yours, but that doesn't mean they don't exist. So future will show. Bye for now and see you next time.